DT.
Might eat that later.
Yeah.
Right.
Is it just about sexy camera?
It's big.
Isn't DT an amusing lesson,
Oh yes, very amusing.
Ian's still making his thing out of foam board because he's just awful like that.
What, you're still standing trying to make a vac bomb?
Yeah. In America, in tech,
Yeah.
they can play games. They can play games in class. My girlfriend, she was in the middle of class and she started playing Halo with the entire class, playing Capture the Flag on the computers.
Okay, why not?
They're allowed to listen to music and wear their own clothes and everything.
What's this in Texas?
Technology lessons. They just sat there playing Halo, Capture the Flag with the entire class.
Was that the original book?
Yeah, man, we were in the camera.
Hello?
May not seem very interesting, but it can get very interesting at times.
Don't fucking hear out.
Like this is the lesson where I got all the plaster Paris on my button. Remember when Johnny slapped my arm?
Ah, yes. There we
Yeah,
go.
let's do it again.
This is the phone with the picture of me next to a really tiny caravan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Me. Oh, you gotta put on my stuff, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Man buys new home.
Man buys What are you saying? Where's it recorded? What he's saying is we found a caravan that compared to Ian, because he's like 8'50", compared to Ian, the caravan looked tiny, so we took a picture of it, and it just looked really hilarious. We're really retarded like that. I think I should stop recording now.
Yeah. She's starting getting
Peace out.